In this video, you'll learn how to add cookies to your WordPress website. This process involves adjusting settings within your dashboard to ensure compliance with cookie regulations and to enhance user experience. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will see the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This action will direct you to a new page containing various configuration options for your site. After the Settings page loads, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy or Cookie Banner. Depending on your WordPress version or any plugins you may have installed, the exact wording may vary. This section is crucial for managing how cookies are handled on your website. Next, you will need to enable the cookie banner. Look for a checkbox or toggle switch that allows you to turn on the cookie banner feature. Once you enable this, you will typically see options for customizing the message that appears to users regarding cookie usage. Customize the message according to your preferences. You may want to include information about what cookies are used on your site and how they enhance user experience. This message is important for transparency and compliance with regulations. Take your time to ensure that the message is clear and informative. Once you are satisfied with the customization, locate the Save Changes button, usually found at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure that all your adjustments are applied. After saving, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been successfully updated. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.